I'm Chaz Miller, proud principal of Ledge Street Elementary. This was our Unity Day celebration, and during this day we celebrate all the ready-to-learn skills that we build in students so that they feel a sense of belonging in the school, that they feel a sense of trust, and when those things are in place, kids' learning goes through the roof. They're basic necessities for kids within a school, and this is the way we celebrate. This is how we do it at Ledge. So thankful for our partners with the Patriots. It just made this just a blow the roof off event because they were here, and we are so appreciative and have so much gratitude for them taking the trip and coming up to our amazing little school.